Today I want to make this video. My fans, happy new day today, happy weekend. So I want to make this video for Lai Mohammed, the speaker of Buhari. When the journalists from UK went to Nigeria to all these local restaurants, I will just say local restaurants. Let me not use that word local. So they ask Lai Mohammed, which country that cooked the best rice so far? What a shock news. He said Senegalese. I beg Lai Mohammed, do you have a mistress or wife from Senegalese? Do you know our country, Nigeria, we are the best cook in Nigeria? In Africa alone, Nigeria is the best cook. You say Senegalese. Today, I just came back now. I have some friends Senegalese, because most Senegalese, they are Muslim. I have some of my friends, Maria. Most of them name ESF is Maria. When I make fried rice for them, they ask me, how did you make it, mother? And this Lai Mohammed, you know, see his name, Lai Mohammed, he say na Senegalese, that the best cook, that the best people that cook the jollof rice. What a nonsense. So that word really pissed me off. And this governor of Lagos, please, you Nigeria people, those that be passing through the airport of Lagos, airport in Lagos, please, my brothers and sisters, do not pass the airport in Lagos to take off, to travel to any country. The airport is shaking. The airport is shaking. The building is shaking. Please manage the airport in Abuja. The Abuja airport is more better than Lagos airport. Lagos airport is not something to write about. I'm saying it. My brothers and sisters, do not pass there to travel. It's shaking. The airport in Lagos is so bad. Please don't try it. So that is one. Two, the Lagos state governor, he said he will go and renovate the airport, rebuild the airport. He's demolished people's houses in Lagos. This man has demolished more than 1,000 or 2,000 houses now in Lagos. Not only that, he still continue to demolish shops, people's shops. People are homeless in Lagos now. Not only homeless, people, they don't have shop. Even this shop is destroying. I was seeing a woman in YouTube was crying. He said he make from on Monday to this week where they destroyed the shop. So he said 7 million. Everything go on stream. Whose kind of wicked governor is this? If you want to renovate, why can't you go and renovate the airport in Lagos? That airport, it is already destroyed. The toilet in that airport is too bad. My God, the toilet, that Nigeria airport in Lagos, the toilet there is disgusting. Don't near there. Don't God will punish this governor of Lagos. God will punish you. Only dafwe, only oshi, only dafwe. God will punish you as you make my brothers and sisters in Lagos to be homeless. So shall God make you and your generation, your family to be homeless. This is the people that put you in power. This is the people that put you in position today. You make all of the homeless now in Lagos. Whose kind of wicked government is this? You have no conscience. You didn't even inform them that you are coming to demolish their house, or even the churches for that matter. Oh, what a wicked word is this. What a wicked word. Buhari is supposed to build international hospital in Nigeria now. He's in the UK now, United Kingdom, for sickness. He went there since almost 2 weeks or 3 weeks. He's not in seat. Can you imagine all these useless people? The money you will use to build international hospital, you have gone to America now to get healing with it. May God struck you. According to a girl I was watching YouTube, he said all the witches in Nigeria to combine with the witches in his village that to pray that Buhari should die. We cannot pray for the death of someone. It's only God take lives. So I'm not wishing anybody death, but let the will of God be done. Because the Bible says, Jesus said, I made her life and I take her life. So in this world, Some people need to die for you to fulfill your destiny. Let them go. I don't care whoever, whether it's brother, whether it's sister, whether it's friend, whether outside or inside. Anybody is not happy in my progress, and he say my living or my happiness is paining in. Let's trust people. The Bible says trust men or women that must not live. There's people on earth that need to die for you to go to climb your destiny. So let them go. If it's Buhari to leave that, he refused to leave that seat in life, and may the will of God be done. Do you know how much they will spend now for the days now he be in the American kingdom? For the days now is in United Kingdom now. Do you know how much of our money is going there? Do you know how much that is the resources of? They're not talking the billions that be stealing. The billion that be stealing. Illiterate president, illiterate governor, illiterate minister, all of them that are illiterate. Is the illiterate that bury money on the ground. It's the illiterate that steal money. Because you see the money they confine in Lagos today, find out the people that own it. Forget their minister today. Most of them are carrying teacher in their house to come and teach them. They're all illiterates. They don't know anything. They are foolish people. They are bad people. They are pushing on my brothers and sisters in the sea to die. Look, when I watch a video, what is happening in Nigeria, people, my own brothers and sisters in Libya, I was shedding tears. No talk of the one is dying in the sea. I see a baby was floating in the sea. I was just seeing a baby was floating. I just looking and say, oh God, this is the children of God. See the way they are floating. A little baby was floating. Look at people dying. See the way Libya governor are maltreating our people there. All because of they're looking for shelter. They're looking for where to get help. They're entering into debt. May God punish the governor of Nigeria. May God punish all of you. In fact, all the governors of Africa that are pushing our brothers and sisters in Libya to go and suffer and die. May God raise that judgment upon all of them. That is it. I'm cutting this video now. Because every time I make video like this, what I'm seeing, what is happening in this country, Nigeria, I'm very angry. Please don't travel to Nigeria airport. If you want to travel to Nigeria airport, pass Abuja. Anything from the only two airports we get to, the international airport is Lagos and Abuja. The only airport is standard now. Okay, little bit okay, is Abuja airport. Don't pass Lagos airport. If you pass Lagos airport, the building is shaking. The building is shaking. The building is not good though. Everything is that. Even the step when they climb, it's not working. If you climb and so the thing they shake. The toilet, everything is bad there. The governor of Lagos cannot go and renovate it. He will not destroy that place and rebuild it, but it's destroy the people's houses in Lagos. Destroy people's church. Say he want to consult road. May God punish you. We never have peace. Baba Eya Oliokpe Oliobruku have stayed Lagos for 5 years. May God punish this Lagos man. May God punish this governor of Lagos. You will never have peace. That is it. As you say, my people suffer on the street. May God make you and your family homeless. Very soon you will see him. What goes up must surely come down. You may be a governor today, but tomorrow you will be in the casket. Idiots. May God punish all of now one by one. That is it.